Huwag kang magpanik, isipin ang dapat gawin.
Good day everyone! These are some tips that you need to do and don't during the fire. These are some tips you need to do during fire.
Activate the fire alarm. O, huwag kang magpanik, hanapin ang fire alarm.
Immediately go to the fire exit.
Turn off the electric equipment.
Just break the glass in case of fire.
Since you already know what are the things you need to do during fire, let's now talk about what are the things you can't do during fire.
Oops, do not hide in any furniture or room.
Wait, remember, no matter what happens, do not jump.
Uy, wait lang, may nakalimutan ako, may babalikan lang ako.
Don't go back for your belongings. Tandaan, bawal bumalik. Don't panic.
O, tandaan mo huwag magpanik.
Ngayong alam mo na ang mga dapat at hindi dapat, sana naunawain mo rin ito at isabuhay. Yun lamang at maraming salamat. Let's fight fire!